Hey guys, welcome to another video. Appreciate you stopping by watching the video here at Deals, Rides, and Adventures. Today we're down here in Gauley Bridge, right beside the Gauley River, here at the Cathedral Falls. Behind me, as you can see, we're going to do a little video here, walk around and go up to the falls here in just a minute. Here's a bridge right here, trail on the other side they can walk up to the falls. I'm gonna start out here, guys, and just walk around and check out some of these little streams leading up to. It was real hot in the summer, but like today, it's gonna be in the 90s. You wanna find a place to cool off, this is the place to do it. A couple families up there and kids enjoying getting cooled off with the water in the falls already. These falls are 60 foot coming out of the Gauley River. That's what the internet says, what Google said. But really nice area. I love the sound of the water in the falls. You gotta be careful right here if you've got bad legs or ankles. Walk around these boulders. Well, I got real close up here to the falls. It's a little bit small as they're coming out. It's a lot of water. Real pretty, guys. You're down this way. Make a stop. The parking down here is not great, but it's okay. You gotta be patient and you'll find your way around. There's the trail I was talking about, and the bridge and the parking lot. Hey guys. Oh, we got a dog behind me. Hear that bark. I'll walk up the trail here and get close to this waterfall, Cathedral Falls, here in Gauley Bridge, West Virginia. The trail's real easy, guys. Don't let anybody tell you that's not easy. Kids run through here. Now, somewhat elderly with bad legs or ankles, maybe. I'll wait on these right here till the trail does narrow. Parking lot down there. The fella's letting his dog out and get in with his legs. Big old cliff face right here, guys. Right behind me. Got it all to myself. Oh. Go up here and see how close we can get. Pretty cool, guys. When you get this close to the a waterfall, about 60 foot right there. You feel the mist coming off of it. Yeah, guys, if you're down here, stop and check this waterfall out. You won't be disappointed. Plus, you can get a beautiful view of the Gauley River running on the other side. It's real nice, guys. If you watched this video, consider hitting that like, subscribe, drop a comment here if you've been here before. And thanks for watching the channel here at Deals, Rides, and Adventures.